DPS Mercy. I played a few games before stream, and oh my god, do people get mad when you don't heal as Mercy, you know? Like, I've had people say they're gonna report me and shit. Like, bro, it's quick play. It's not that deep, bro. Like, if I'm in ranked or whatever doing this, then by all means report me. I'm throwing. But like, bro, it's quick play. Like, it's not that deep. They get so fucking mad, bro. Oh my god. But before we jump into absolutely slamming people as Mercy, because that's definitely what's going to happen. We're going to slam everyone. We're definitely not going to get immediately shit on. We got an esport loot box, baby, and we also got a couple normal ones. We're going to open the normal ones first, because, you know, we've got to save the best for last. And hopefully it is the best, and we don't get shafted and get another purple fucking skin. Okay, here we go. Oh, we got a purple out of this one. What is this? Oh, it's a fucking highlight intro. I don't care, bro. Out of here. Fuck out of here with that shit. What is this one? Okay, well, it's terrible. What about this one? Come on, baby. Okay. 4 blues is crazy. Oh my god. Okay, one more box, baby. Let's go. Oh, we got a purple. What the fuck is that? Okay, I guess. I mean, okay, we've got an epic loot box. Will we get a legendary? Will we get a legendary is the question. I really hope we do. That'd be sick. Legendary, 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 baby. Fuck! Okay. It's another fucking highlight intro. Alright. I swear to Christ on a fucking cross, if I do not pull a fucking legendary out of this esport loot box, I am genuinely going to I'm going to do unspeakable things to humanity. I swear to God. This is going to be my villain arc if I don't get a fucking legendary. I'm going to keep it a buck. Please! Fuck! Oh, it's a Dallas Fuel skin though. Dallas Fuel's kind of goated. Dallas Fuel is kind of fucking goated. Out of all the legendary skins I want, I either want Soul or Dallas Fuel, because Soul's like black and gold, and Dallas Fuel is just like a goated team in general. So, yeah. Okay. Out of the legendary skins, to be fair, not the legendary skins. Out of the purple skins, to be fair. Not that bad, not that bad, not that bad. We'll take it, we'll take it, we'll take it. I've got the Soul skin I've got the Soul Dynasty skin for Bastion already though, so I'm not going to run this. But anyway, that was a terrible fucking loot box. I wanted a legendary, I didn't get one, I'm upset. Let's go play some Mercy. What map do we get? Shambali Monastery? I haven't played Flashpoint as DPS Mercy yet, but I feel like Escort and push maps definitely favor DPS Mercy a little more, because you have more options, you have more routes to take, you know, you can kind of use your environment more. With like Flashpoint and Control, you're kind of fucked, to be honest. I mean, you see the enemy team see a Mercy or Flashpoint or Control, you're just gonna get dove immediately. And we got Flashpoint. Fuck me. Okay. I hear a Vendetta. I'm gonna fuck this Vendetta. Pause. Come here, Vendetta, you bitch. Oh my god, it's a pocketed Vendetta. I take it back. Oh my god. Oh yeah, 3 kills. Yeah, bro, see you, buddy. You don't win that. I could strafe like a fucking madman. I don't know, the projectiles are so big on Mercy that you could just strafe like a madman and just not even have to aim. It's great. I'm on 8 HP, holy shit, okay. Like, it's actually hilarious how reliably you can outduel someone like an Ashe or a Widow as Mercy just by strafing, because the projectiles are so massive you don't even have to aim. You just have to aim in their general direction. Oh my god. Come here, Freya. Come here, Freya. Come here, Freya. Come here, buddy. Hey. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. There we go. Finally got it. Oh my god. I had to run for that one. Good lord. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. That was my kill, you bum. Come here, Ashe, you bum. Oh, you pooped me. What a bitch. Come here, Bastion. Come here, Bappy.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh, you popped an immortality field to fucking duel a Mercy? You pussy. You genuine fucking pussy. You had to pop an immortality field to win a duel against the fucking Mercy? You absolute bum. You disgrace to humanity. Oh my god. How many kills we got? 8 and 2 right now on Mercy. Okay, this isn't too bad. This isn't going that bad. Get the Reinhardt. Get the Reinhardt. Get the Reinhardt. Come here, buddy. Yeah, fuck you. Come here, Bastion. Oh, he's dead. Stop stealing my kills, bro. Come here. There we go. Oh, get this fucking guy. Come here, buddy. There we go. Fucking immortality field using bum. Get out of here, bro. Soldier. Do you have a fucking brain in your head, bro? What are you doing? That guy's dumb as fuck. I shot him for like 3 years straight. He's did nothing. Come here, Ashe, you bum. There we go. Get wrecked, idiot. I've yet to get play of the game as Mercy. I want to get a play of the game as Mercy so bad. That'd be hilarious. Yeah, fuck you, Ashe. Save me! No! Fuck. I should have just dove the fucking Juno, to be honest. I don't know why I ran from her. Alright. 15 and 9 with 4k damage. Not bad. I outfragged the Bastion. Lamau. Love to see it. Eagle play of the game, though. What a fucking bum. Bro, first flashpoint, now control. Fuck me, dude. Give me a break. I need every advantage I can get. Alright, let's see how this control goes. I doubt it's going to end very well for us, but I mean, hey, you know, you never know. We might just be absolutely goated and we just don't even know it. We're on the prowl. We're on the prowl as Mercy. The flanking Mercy. The flanking DPS Mercy. I want this Emre. Fuck! There's an enemy fucking... Bro, okay. Come on. I'm only a Mercy. Why are you running, bro? I'm not gonna respect you with the slightest end. Come here, you fucking clanker. No, bro, it was so close. It was such a good duel. Fuck it. Bro, one quick melee, I would have won that, bro. That's insane. Bro, they're all diving me. Where is he? He picked up a fucking health pack. Oh no, I nearly killed him. Bro. That was the dumbest 1v1 in history, and the fact I nearly won that, bro, genuinely, what the fuck did I even just witness? That was actually atrocious. Come here, buddy. Oh, I wanted the kill. Fuck you. Come dive me. I'm just a Mercy, bro. Why are you so scared? Come here. Oh, what the fuck, bro? This Vendetta plays like a fucking bitch, by the way. Never dives me. Like, the freest fucking kill for a Vendetta ever, and she never commits to diving me, ever. I don't know why. I may just have, like, unfathomable aura. Come here, Zen, you bitch. Oh, he ulted, of course he did, bro. Fuck me. Come here, buddy. Vendetta. Vendetta, come here, buddy. Vendetta, come here. Where the fuck did she go? Hello. Come here, Vendetta. Don't run. Don't you fucking run. Come here. No, that was mine. Hey, Sergeant. Come here, buddy. Fuck you, buddy. I need a grapple. Come here, Mercy. Come here, Mercy. Yay, I got Mercy. We're kind of cooking right now. Oh my god, Vendetta, come here. You're mine. Come here, bitch. There we go. Fuck you. Battle Mercy, baby. This is the second half of this game's going quite well, to be honest. Oh my god. Bro, the Vendetta never commits to dive me unless her team is with her. Every fucking time. I don't know why. I mean, I have shit on her multiple times, so maybe she's just scared. I don't know. I don't know how you'd be scared of a fucking Mercy, but... It's like the Vendetta never full dives me. She always waits. She was like, come in, do a little bit of poke damage, and then dip. She'll never like full dive me unless her team's with her. It's hilarious. I'm literally like, I am this fucking Vendetta's worst nightmare. I'm making this Vendetta shiver in her fucking boots. Where's my team at? Okay, they're feeding. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Can I be friends with the enemy team? Hi. Oh, you got the point. Hi. I'm just gonna sit here and dance. We're just gonna make friends with the enemy team, honestly. Let's have a little boogie down, you know? A little boogie down. Hello. My team is getting fucking ran over there, but we're having a good time over here. Fuck you, Vendetta, okay? You did fuck all. You were scared of a Mercy all game. You don't deserve play the game. Escort, please. Or hybrid. I'll take either. I just don't want to play control. I'm gonna fuck this Mercy.
What did he say?
I mean, I'm a fucker up, you know? I'm a fucker up, okay? Come here, Mercy. Okay, I'm not fucking her up. I take it back. Oh my god. Bit of crazy flank right now. Okay. Zen. Oh my god. I need a melee, bro. I need a melee. I could have killed it. I could have killed him. That'd have been insane. Alright, everyone sees a Mercy and they're like, oh my god, free kill. Until the Mercy starts shooting back. They shit themselves, don't know what to do, and nearly die. That's happened quite a few times where it's like, oh, it's just a Mercy, you know, we'll just dive her, kill her. And, oh my fucking god. Come here, Mercy! A Mercy duel, yeah, fuck you! No, buddy, I am better than you. Get wrecked, idiot. I am the better Mercy. Fuck you. Come here, Ash, buddy. Fuck you. Oh my god, Bastion's dead too, W. Oh my god, wait a minute. We're kind of cooking on Mercy this game. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Bro, Arissa came in there and wanted fucking, bro. Arissa came in wanting all the fucking smoke, bro. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, bro. There's a Sierra up here, buddy. Goodbye. Come here, Arissa. Oh my god, I only won that. Wait a minute. I could have actually killed that Arissa. That's hilarious. I mean, my entire team was dead, but you know. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her, Winston. There we go. Oh my god. They're chasing this fucking Sierra around like headless chickens.
I could use some healing.
Fuck you, you're not getting any healing. That was an abysmal performance. Not that I'm healing anyway, but if I was healing, you still wouldn't get healed. That was fucking terrible. W. We went 6 and 10 as Mercy. We went 6 and 10. We went 6 and 10. Bro, not getting a lot of kills, but bro, the kills we do get are pretty fucking stupid. I mean, every kill you get with Mercy is going to be pretty fucking stupid, to be honest. I really wanted to get play of the game. I honestly expected that to go pretty fucking terribly, to be honest. I mean, we got some pretty stupid kills, to be honest. We got some pretty dumb kills, bro. I mean, definitely don't play DPS Mercy. Imagine someone gets like top 500 playing DPS Mercy. That'd be hilarious. Like if they do open queue so they can have like 3 healers. Can you even have 3 healers in 6v6? I don't know. I don't think it lets you. I think it only lets you have 2, which is gay. Anyway, that's gonna be a GG's for me. That's gonna be a GG's.